I'm a household name. Everyone is familiar with who I am, and I'm sure you've heard stories about me too, but it's all hearsay.
Yes.
You see, when one too many people keep saying things about you, trust me, it's true. What narrative have they spun about my name when its true source like incense smoke too potent to wake up the dead, yet strong enough to haunt the living? Distant murmurs say I must carry the weight of my skin like it was a crime committed before my birth. From the cradle, I was handed chains masquerading as toys. Cuffed before I could start teething, were stuck at the back of my throat of history I was born into. You who dreams of open skies and unbridled joy are told that freedom is a privilege, not your birthright. You who loves like the world could be healed by a single note that told to silence your song, for it echoes too loud in rooms that fear your voice. They tell you you are less, tell you to bend, tell you to fit inside a box crafted by hands that could never catch you if you fall. Mina utuga neswe. Have they told you about me? How their city swallowed me whole in search of this gold, 290 kilometers that deep in its soul, that deeper I go, the my tightens its hold. Consumes me, turning dreams into cold. I've forgotten what it feels like to be home. I'm sure mother's tears built an altar, pleading with the gods, praying I'm not the tale of the prodigal son undone. But I tried, not to be like the other Matome from across the street. I despised how he left his family in search for greener pastures, but understood when I could no longer put bread on the table or hide behind my mother's arms. I'm a man, after all. What were you expecting? My ego and society doesn't allow me to fail, so I had to do something.
Black woman.
After all, that's what you've been feeding me from since I was a little boy. From when I was still in my mother's womb, you had high expectations of me. And what is a man to do when you no longer sing praises of him? I've jumped borders, burned bridges just to be here. I've went from pillar to post, working in construction sites, trying to cement my life together. I've adopted foreign names, become a laughingstock to those who look down on people like me. I've forgotten my mother's laughter, and I'm sure she is praying for my safe return, but I cannot go back home. I cannot go back home empty-handed. My name is Matumi. Utuga Nesre. I'm a household name. Everyone is familiar with who I am, and I'm sure you've heard stories about me too, but it's all hearsay. I'm a man who got lost while trying to find this goal. The city swallowed me whole, but I am still trying to put bread on the table, even if it means rocking up at my mother's front doorstep suited in a coffin. Indot, if it be.